Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 7 Learning. So today I am here, as you can see in the title, to give you some basic knowledge of digital marketing. So guys, this video helps you to learn about some basic knowledge of digital marketing. So look at the agenda for today's topic. So guys, we will be discussing about what is digital marketing. So in this topic, you learned about definition of digital marketing. Second is, why is digital marketing? So you will understand why digital marketing is required. Third is, importance of digital marketing. So guys, in this topic, you will understand what are the importance of digital marketing. Fourth is, features of digital marketing. So you will be the understand of the features of digital marketing. Last is, types of digital marketing, where you can understand what exactly is SEO, SEM, web design, etc. So guys, I hope the agenda was clear to you. So before starting the video, if you are a new viewer on our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's go to the video. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is like any other type of marketing. It's a way to connect with and influence your potential customers. The real difference is you connect with and influence those customers online. So in this world of information technology, we are all moving forward with technology. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Digital marketing is basically advertising delivered through digital channels. Digital marketing is basically internet marketing, online marketing, whatever you call it. Digital marketing is the use of the internet, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other channels to reach consumers. So guys, if you have understood what is digital marketing, then let's go to the other topics. Why is digital marketing? You might probably be aware that you need a website to build a business online. But having just a website doesn't give you the competitive edge required to grow your business online. Your website needs an effective marketing strategy to bring in customers to your website. If no one can find your website, how are they going to buy from you? The only way to bring in customers to your site is by utilizing the right marketing techniques. Digital marketing is great opportunity for a business to grow and reach new heights. Using digital marketing, you can reach an enormous audience in a way that is both cost effective and measurable. You can save money and reach more customers for less money than traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing is mainly internet marketing. So there are endless possibilities for brands including video, email, social media, or website-based marketing opportunities. It's a reality of life that we board a technology-dependent world wherever we resort to the internet with no matter queries or desires we have. One of the most important reasons why digital marketing is taking up the traditional marketing channels is as a result of the internet has enabled businesses to interact with targeted audience in real time. So customers have grown accustomed to participating and interacting with one's brand or business. So if you have understood why is digital marketing, so let's go to the another topic. Importance of digital marketing. So there are so many importances of digital marketing. So we will be discussing one by one. Better growth options for small business. So the importance of digital marketing for business lies in the option to select your method of marketing as per your budget and reach a wider audience at a lesser cost. Even a decade back, getting a product marketed, especially for a small business, was a task in itself. They had to resort to small level methods where the guarantee of success was close to negligible. Second is, you can compete with larger corporations. So competition is the hardest part of running a business. When you are in a market with bigger corporations, so it's hard to compete with them. They have a big name for themselves, which automatically draws people to trust to those corporations. So you have a fighting chance against bigger corporations, which is why digital marketing is important to your business. Your business can reach interested leads with the same methods as a larger corporation. Third is you reach people where they spend their time. So with the growth of the internet, more people are spending their time online. So over 7.7 billion people use the internet across the globe. It's become an integral part of everyday life to conduct searches, check social media, and purchase products online. Your customers are online, which highlights the importance of digital marketing. They are browsing the web looking for your products or services. If they can't find them because you don't have an online presence, you risk losing those leads to your competitors. To drive the best results for your business, you need to build your online presence. You will reach more leads that want your products or services. Fourth is you can target your ideal audience. So the ability to target your audience better is one of the most obvious reasons why digital marketing is important. Imagine being able to market directly to people who have an interest in your products or services. With digital marketing, you have the capability to directly reach leads interested in your business. You don't have to hope that people will see your traditional marketing efforts and contact your business. So with digital marketing, you can target your audience more precisely than traditional methods. You can input important information about your audience and use that information to shape your digital marketing campaigns. Fifth is earn people's trust and build brand reputation. For any business to survive, the one thing that they really need to work upon is establishing a reputation and people's trust that is impeccable. In the past few years, it has become evident the customers will always prefer a company that doesn't have any scandals associated with it. The importance of digital marketing today lies in offering you multiple ways to establish a personal rapport with your customer base. Sixth is you can increase your social media presence. So having a good or great social media presence can help your business grow like wildflowers. But this will only happen after you develop a large following and learn how to give them what they really want. Here are some great ways any business owner or marketer can increase their social media presence and help their business grow. And the last is digital marketing is cost effective. A small business needs to save up on its resources before it finally goes into the green zone and starts making profits. Digital marketing gives you the scope to reach out to many customers at the same time, and that too within your budget. You can plan your marketing strategy such that you only use modes that lie in your budget. If there is a budget constraint, then you should always target your niche audiences. So let's go to the another topic. So there are some features of digital marketing. Time and effort saving. A great way to formulate your internet marketing action plan is to study your competitors to see what they are doing. They are free and low cost tools to gather info on your competitors as well. By setting clear strategies in the beginning, business will also be able to save time by taking calculated steps. Other feature is flexibility. There are many forms and uses of high quality digital marketing, including banner ads, email marketing, content marketing, and social media posts. Thus, by learning how to creatively market yourself digitally, you open up a wide range of possibilities for future publicity strategies. With digital marketing, you also have the flexibility of testing and stopping poorly performing campaigns in real time. Another feature is real time analysis. So real-time analytics of large data helps in better decision making by streamlining various digital marketing activities and performing advanced multi-channel analytics. These analytical activities help in targeting the right customers who have shown interest in your products and services but yet not made any purchases. Another feature is impactful. Using digital marketing, you can reach an enormous audience in a way that is both cost effective and measurable. So you can save money and reach more customers for less money than traditional marketing methods. Get to know your audience and allow them to know you personally, which can help to create brand loyalty. Another feature is economical. In digital marketing strategies for the digital economy, you will learn to identify how to use multiple digital channels to generate more customer demand, create highly effective digital advertising campaigns, leverage influencer and micro influencers to help new products gain traction faster. So guys, if you have understand the features of digital marketing, then let's go to the another topic. This is types of digital marketing. So there are so many types of digital marketing for a business to grow and reach new heights. So we will be discussing about some basic knowledge on types of digital marketing. So first is SEO. SEO or search engine optimization is the process of getting quality traffic from free, organic search results on the search engines. It is important that the traffic you drive to your website is relevant to your industry. If you manage to attract a high volume of visitors searching for Macintosh computers while what you actually do is selling raincoats, the traffic will do you no good. So basically, SEO works to make your business optimized for search engines like Google and Bing. It's all about moving you up the search engine results page rankings to have better visibility for users searching for your website. Now we will discussing SEM. SEM or search engine marketing refers to a form of digital marketing that aims at increasing the visibility of a website in search engines by using paid methods. In other words, it's the ads you put on there on Google AdWords and Bing Ads. So it is generally considered to cover both PPC and SEO work. So bringing in traffic to your website via search engines is no easy task. That's why SEO and PPC work to look into bringing said traffic in through both paid and unpaid means. Now we will discussing social media. Social media marketing is the process of working on marketing through, you guessed it, social media. With social platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, ever-growing business online need to invest in social media marketing in order to grow their following and reach a whole new pool of potential customers. Dependent on your business type, there's a social network out there for you. Now we will discussing about email marketing. Another form of marketing is email marketing, and you have guessed it. It involves email. It's a form of direct marketing which sends information, offers, blogs, etc. directly to your mailing list inboxes. Through a sea of emails, your marketing email will appear, but the trick is getting it read. Yes, it may emerge alongside hundreds emails, and if you can't create an email that's eye-catching, then it will be lost. Luckily, there are email marketing tools and agencies that can assist you. Email marketing is a great way of reach your customers and interacted with them. Now we will be discussing about content marketing. This style of marketing is a little different than the previous ones we have mentioned. It's not so much about directly marketing products and services to customers, but rather creating enriching and valuable content that enhances customer experiences. Some of the biggest brands in the world will actively post blogs, images, and videos relating to their business that are entertaining and informative too. It's what establishes your business as a brand and essentially what makes your customers like you more. It's like promoting your brand. Now we will be discussing about video production. Video is the star of the show these days, and if there's one thing you should be doing, whatever your business, that is probably it. It can be a short clip or a long format, educational or entertaining, pre-recorded or streamed live in real time. It's no longer just the case of taking a TV ad and putting that online, but instead you are creating bespoke content for your digital channels. So guys, this was some basic knowledge for digital marketing. Hope you will like it. So guys, like this video, stay on this channel with us to get more videos on digital marketing.